Hello folks, this is Elias with EH Tutorials. Today I want to show you how to share a tab on Google Sheets. If you're sharing a tab, it's probably because you want to share specific information with a specific individual. This tutorial is perfect for you. So the first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to make sure that you have the tab that you're going to be sharing, which in this case is this one over here, the one that just says Sheet. And then you're going to have the tab that you're going to be sharing with people, and this is basically going to this actual sheet is going to grab all the information that's in here and it'll import it and send it here. Now, any information that you enter in here will automatically be transferred here as you enter it. So the first thing we want to do is we're going to go to the second sheet. This is the one that's going to be shared around, and we're going to just use the import range feature to get that information on there. So in this case, just type in equal, then you type import range, then you're going to put in the bracket, then you're going to put a quotation. Once you put the quotation, you want to go back to that sheet that you're going to be sharing. In this case, we're going to be sharing sheet number, just the regular sheet, not number 2, the one that's on here. I'm going to copy this link and we're going to paste it right in here. Once we do that, we're going to put quotation mark, then we're going to make a space, we're going to put a comma, then we're going to literally type in another quotation mark and just type sheet, which is the name that we gave the sheet that we're going to be importing. We're going to type in sheet, and then after that we're going to put an exclamation point. And let's just give it a range of A1 to let's see, H400, something like that, H400. If you have a sheet that's bigger than that, I don't know what you're doing. But you can make it bigger if you like. So you put in H400 and you put in the quotation marks, and then put a bracket. What you want to do is hit enter. It'll start loading the data. As you can see, it copied all the data that it has on the other sheet. Obviously, it doesn't look like this one over here because this one was designed to look a little bit nicer. But you can actually manipulate it and make it look nice too. You could make it whatever you want to make it. So in this case, if you want to, change the color of it, you're welcome to do that. Let's just say you want to put this color. Doesn't look that good. Put a little bit, something a little bit lighter. And you can change the size of data here. So anything, you can change it to something bigger if you'd like. But basically all the information that's in here, it's in this previous one over here, will go there, and you can just edit it and give it the look that you want. I can actually test it for you. In this case, I'm going to put, what's another company out there? LG. Now, if you type it in here, it'll eventually go here. You just have to either refresh it, but it just did it automatically, as you can see. So that's pretty much it. All you have to do is just enter this data in this little formula. I'm gonna have the formula in the description of this video just so that you can copy it. And pretty much that's all. Signing off. This is Elias. Take care, everybody.